morning, people. I know I'm totally gone, wasted because waking up to this. This is day 3 and waking up to this. What else could we wish for? What do you say, Prithvi? No words. No words. We are totally wasted still. We're still sleepy, but we had to enjoy the view, so we got up. And it's morning 6 o'clock, I guess. I don't know exactly what the time is, but 6 o'clock. Fresh up, gish up, okay? We'll start again to Warangal, right? Ramapuram, right? Yeah, Ramapuram. Night stay in Ramapuram, and then the next tomorrow is Hyderabad. So, see you guys after some time. बिल्कुल भी अभी no energy. थोड़ा उठ के Sure. Welcome back, guys. We're just heading down for some view and some photographs. They say it's a very good. Oh. Shoot has already begun. Look at the view, man. Yeah, hero. Phew. I've got cold, man. Oh. What happened was in the middle of the night at 10 o'clock, me and Prithvi went out to get water bottles because here water was like not so good. So we had to go in the night. It was completely pitch dark and the temperature was too down. So, day 3. Thank you. Time lapse. अभी recording में है. हाँ, recording में. Okay, bye. Thank you. चल. This is the road from which we had arrived to our destination yesterday, and we could not record because it was pitch dark and there was no light. So now we're headed towards Ramappa for the night stay, and then tomorrow to Hyderabad. Oh. Oh, yeah. This is nice. Okay, I have stopped here because my GoPro charging is dead and I could not afford to miss this view. But look at this. Isn't this amazing? Very good. I don't know if the camera is doing the justice because look at that. You see? Chitrakoot నుంచి హైదరాబాద్. Oh my goodness, off-roading time after all that highway. And just a moment. So we had a very beautiful stretch a couple of minutes ago. My GoPro was dead. Like I said in the previous video, my GoPro was dead, so I could not record a shit. But I had like 5% of charging, so I recorded a little bit. So luckily what happened here is my friend Ravi Teja, he has a GoPro too. He rides a Thunderbird. So he recorded the beautiful moments of this ride. I can call this the best, the moments of the ride. So let me share the videos of him recording the beautiful moments right now. So yep, you can see beautiful moments like I said. Now it was a little, now it's a little time for the off-road like you can see right now. After a little distance it's going to be the same road that it was there before. So now nothing much to say and nothing much to show because we were just riding and I wish you could see the view that I saw or that we saw. I wish you guys can watch it in live because it was mind blowing. The clouds, trees, the road, the rain especially justified the tagline that we have from Motor Wings, monsoon ride. Yeah, that's what we can say. So it was pretty amazing, and I'm gonna show you a little more good things about it. Well guys, we are stuck because this is the only way to go. I cannot actually show you right now, but it's 100 meters, a small gap where the water is completely filled and the water flow is too high. I wish you guys can see a little bit at least. You see that? See this? You see this? I think you guys can see this. So the road is completely filled with water and we are not able to cross because we have Royal Enfield here. If it goes on under the water, like the water is coming till your knees. So I don't think that's going to be a good idea to go. We are stuck here and we don't know what to do. We're trying to sort this out. I'll see if we can get a better light for you guys and then see. I think you guys can see. That's the road. That's supposed to be a road. It's completely filled with water. Ante vera dar ledu man left and right ikkada ledu.
ఇక్కడ వరకు ఏని
మోకాల్ దాకా పోయినా కదా.
మోకాల్ కాదు టైస్
మోకాల్ పైకి పోయినాయా? ఎవరికి పోయినా మోకాల్ పైకి
వెళ్ళలేదు కదా. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ యామ్ సేయింగ్.
అవునా?
మోకాల్ అయితే నేనే కొట్టేస్తుండే.
బ్రో లైట్ తీసుకోండి బ్రో, వేస్ట్ ఆఫ్ టైం.
वो करते